Guys, YouTube channel optimization and keyword settings is actually not complicated the way a lot of people think. It's not for the YouTube gurus or experts only, right? It's for everybody. It's just a way of YouTube asking you, who are you? What should we do with you or do for you? I mean, you're supposed to answer. That's a very easy question to answer, right? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to optimize your channel and set up your channel keywords properly, because setting it up properly matters more than you think. It is actually the first step to success here on YouTube. Okay, every big creators out there have it on their channel. So if it's your first time here, my name is Joy. I share tips on how to grow your YouTube channel and to monetize really fast. Check out my other videos, guys. I just got monetized not too long ago, and I've shared in details everything I did to monetize my channel. So do well to check out those videos in my channel. Okay, now let's get right to this issue on ground. The first thing you should know is, what niche are you posting about, and how can you get channel keywords for your niche? Now let's go to my screen record. I'm going to show you everything. Okay, so guys, to get this done, we are going to be needing keywords, right? In order for you to appear in search and be getting views, so that you can be able to complete your 4,000 watch hours, because trust me, you need a lot of views to get that done. Okay, in order for us to appear in search and complete our 4,000 watch hours and get all the subscribers that we need, you need to add these channel keywords into your channel. Okay, it's very essential because it's what makes you stand out. A lot of these big creators that you see that their videos are getting views and getting traction is because they have all of this fixed in their channel. Like, it is a default settings that should be inside your channel settings, and I'm going to be showing you everything here. But first of all, you need to get the keywords. You understand me? And to get the keywords, we're going to be using ChatGPT to generate keywords according to your niche. So this is basically about your kind of content. Your niche is your content. Never forget that, the kind of content you are creating. If it's football, music, teaching, comedy, skits, whatever it is you're doing, that's your niche. Now, let's assume we're going to be using lifestyle niche for this tutorial. So you are going to be using this prompt. I'll leave this prompt in the description, guys. I don't want this video to be too long, so that's why you see me, I typed the prompt already, just so I can quickly teach you this thing. Right now, you're going to be taking this prompt. I'll paste it in the description, like I said before, the description of this video. Just check it there. I'll be pinning it there. Once you take this prompt, all you do is to change the name. Okay, change the niche and then change your channel name. Look at what I say. I say, hi, my name is Eddie. This is just like an illustration. Okay, and I'm a lifestyle creator on YouTube. Right, I say my channel name is Eddie Short. Give me full channel SEO. SEO means search engine optimization, and this enables you to show on search. Like when people come on, when the viewer come on YouTube and they need something, as in they need the particular video that they want to watch, they go on this YouTube search bar and they search for that particular word. So that search engine optimization will make your videos pop up if you have that keyword that that viewer is actually searching for. Let's assume the person is searching for how to cook fried rice, and you already have a video in your channel that says easiest way to cook fried rice, or your keywords have cooking fried rice, jollof rice, or just something similar, they have it inside of your channel, your videos will pop up, your channel will be suggested definitely. You know why? Because your videos is optimized and so is your channel. So this is where you set it up. This is how people search, show up in search and end up getting views. So imagine when your videos pop up and your thumbnail is good, your description, your title is good, people will click on it and they will start watching. So that's basically everything you need to know about this. Now look at the suggestions. I said, look at the prompt. I said, hi, my name is Eddie and I'm a lifestyle creator on YouTube. My channel name is Eddie Short. Give me full channel SEO, including tags, channel keywords, and description with hashtags to appear in search and rank high with viral creators. Look at what it says. Hi, nice to meet you, Eddie. Eddie Short is a clean name that already helps. It feels visual and flexible, which is good for lifestyle. Are you saying it? It even gave you a suggestion. If your name was not tight enough, it will still tell you that this name is not as catchy for this particular niche. Okay. He said, I will give you a full channel SEO setup so you can copy and paste, blah, 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 blah. This one, they're just normal tutorials. Now look at the first thing he gave, channel description. He said SEO optimized, meaning with this description, you always come up or pop up anytime somebody search. In search engines, you always pop up as far as is YouTube and even Google. So this is it. He said, welcome to Eddie Short. Look at it. He say, yeah, I share lifestyle videos, daily routines, cinematic moments, personal growth, creative visuals. Look at, these are all keywords that people can easily search for. Somebody can just go on YouTube and say personal growth videos, and then your videos start popping up, aesthetic lifestyle shots, and all of that. He said this channel is for people who enjoy calm visuals, relatable moments, and intentional living. Just imagine the description is already professional and tight. Imagine you having this kind of description in your videos, or in your channel rather. Your channel will just stand out and you'll be getting all of the right tractions. Are you seeing? See, he said new videos focus on lifestyle inspiration, self growth, creative habits, everyday routines, and visual storytelling. This is top notch. Using descriptions like this in your description feed makes your channel different from every other small creators, and it's going to take you away from that small creator lane that you are in, right? Now, this is the important thing, channel keywords. Look at it, it said very important. That's how specific ChatGPT told you. He said go to YouTube studio settings, channel basic. He's even suggesting where you should paste it. He said paste all of these into your channel keywords. Are you seeing it? This is AI telling you, because trust me, YouTube has AI that also works for them. And ChatGPT is also AI. So AI thinks alike, humans think alike. They're telling you you have to paste all of this so that the AI that is distributing your video, which is the YouTube algorithm, will know who to push your videos to, and you'll be able to get views and complete your 4,000 watch hours. I mean, this is very easy. It's very important as a new creator or as somebody who has not done this for their channel. Now look at all the keywords: edit short, edit lifestyle, lifestyle creator, lifestyle YouTube channel, aesthetic lifestyle, daily life vlog. These are things that are being searched every day, and people get as in answers because creators have put all of this into their channel, so their videos begin to pop up. Look at this one, say personal growth lifestyle. Tell me why you will not pop up when you use kind of keywords. You will definitely pop up and you will get views. That video you are complaining about. So all of these are the other things, tags and the rest. Let me not just extend this video so long. So the next thing we will do, since we already have everything prepared, let me show you how you can add them one after the other. And we're going to be using Chrome for this, okay? You just go to your Google Chrome and use the YouTube desktop studio site, right? Continue to studio. Okay, anytime it shows you that, just click on continue to studio. That's what you're supposed to press. Now this is my channel, okay? I already have keywords on my channel, so I don't have a spare channel. I would have used it to show you by copying and pasting it right there, right? So in order for me to show you how to do it, just click on this settings icon, click on this settings. You see this channel, click on this channel. Now see the basic info ChatGPT was telling you about. Do you remember now? Look at it. This is your country of residence. Let your country of residence be there. Now look at the keywords ChatGPT gave you. Look at mine. Mine says YouTube growth tips for beginners, small YouTubers help, beat the algorithm, YouTube advice for new creators, YouTube growth strategies, and all of that. So in order for you to put your own, let's say is a lifestyle content that you are creating, right? According to the prompt we got, you just minimize, go back to ChatGPT. That one is the description. I'll show you where to put that one as well. And then come here, just hold on to this and copy it. Are you saying it? Click copy. Then go back to this place and paste it right here. Then you are done. Are you saying it? Mind you, it has a minimum or maximum of 500 words. Okay, I'm at 497. When it passes 500 words, it will not save. So please don't extend it. Do you understand? Now, the names you are seeing here, these are people in my niche. Ben did it, Vibe with Sonia, Dan the creator. These are creators in my niche. They're already getting massive views on their channel. So adding their names here also make you pop up when people search for their name. So imagine Vibe with Sonia or Dan the creators audience coming to search for them. My videos will also pop up because one, we are in the same niche, and two, their names are also in my channel keywords. That means while they are popping up, I'm popping up alongside with them. So look for creators in your niche are already doing well and also add their names here. It's just the strategy. Even they themselves, they're also doing it. Do you understand? It's a way of appearing in search. Now the next thing is this upload default. This is where you put the tags and the rest things, okay? That one was the channel keywords. Never forget this basic info. This is a title, default titles. Because your videos don't have the same titles at all times, you will leave this place unless you create a video or a kind of video that all your videos have the same title. Then you can put it here. It will just be a default setting. So whenever you post, it will be automatic title. That's what this place is about. Now this description is automatic description. So because my description is not the same, I actually leave it. But what I do is I put some video links and my playlist link, right? So that anybody that goes through my description of my video and finish watching that video, they can actually click on any of my videos easily from that place and watch. And this is where you put the hashtags. You saw hashtags just now. Let me show you hashtags. You can leave hashtags as default. Are you seeing it? Hashtag lifestyle creator, hashtag lifestyle vlog, daily life. These are all the hashtags. You can copy all of this and paste it inside this description. It will just be a default setting. So whenever you want to post normal videos and add description, you now add the description at the top. The hashtag will be underneath it. That's how to post. Okay. Now I have my hashtag inside there, so I don't want to open it, so I will not temper with my own settings. Now look at tags. This is where you put the tags. Let me show you the tags again in ChatGPT. Look at the tags that ChatGPT gave us, channel tags. All you have to do is just copy again. The same process, just copy and paste it back there. All of these commands that you see, they are the ones that make it easy for this separation. Are you seeing this beautiful separation? As far as you are pasting it here and it's just 500 words and not more than, it will demarcate like this and be separated. So that's it. That's why you have to use ChatGPT for easy access instead of typing it one after the other. That would really take your time. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is what you're supposed to do to optimize your channel. And now let me show you one other important things. Inside of this upload default, click on this advanced settings. You already said this is a lifestyle channel. By optimizing with the lifestyle keywords that we got, right? Now pick a category. Look at it here. Pick a category. Are you seeing it? You pick a category and add what category your channel is. For lifestyles, you can either leave it as people and blogs, or you can even leave it as travel and event, because most lifestyle creators, they do travel and they show people a lot of things and places around the world, right? So either you leave it at travel and events, or you leave it at people and blogs. Those are the most related or closer category to lifestyle vlog. Okay, there are a lot of other settings. Okay, let me not make this video too long. We cannot share everything in one setting, so we'll be doing it in series. I'll be dropping all of the updates bit by bit, so that you can actually be setting up your own and you'll be able to comprehend and remember everything you need to do, right? So this is it for today. And for the channel description, I've taught a video on how to customize your channel. You can just watch this video right here. I'll put it up. You can click on it and watch it. So let me show you where to add the description anyway. So if you need full detailed explanation, you have to watch this video I just showed you. Look at this magic wand. That is the customization button. That is where you click to put your channel description. Okay, look at it here. Are you seeing a description? That channel description just now, you copy it and paste it here, and then you save it. Lastly, please never forget all of those channel keywords and the rest things we did just now. Let me go back there. You have to click on save. After pasting everything here, please don't forget to click on this save, else everything will go back to default settings. Nothing will be saved. Everything you just put there, since everything will wipe out. So please ensure you save it. Okay, always save anything you do on your YouTube studio. Either you click on save or you look for publish. Those are the two words that actually retains your changes, any changes you make inside of YouTube studio. So this is it for now, guys. If you have any more questions, please let me know. Okay, let me know in the comments. I'll still be dropping other uploads, other things you need to do to fix your channel. When you are done with this one, you see this publish, you just click on publish after adding the channel description. So this is basically everything. Look at what the last suggestion ChatGPT gave. Say how this actually helps you rank. Real talk. He said, I think this part matters. SEO gets you discovered. Are you seeing? He said, but consistency plus clear identity keeps people watching. And what is clear identity? By adding these tags and picking a niche, that is clear identity. It makes people keep watching. Okay, guys, you've seen it. Do well to like and subscribe and share so that others can as well learn. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.